Opposites in emotions. Happy, sad. She feels happy today. It was a very sad movie. Excited, bored. I'm excited for the trip. He is bored in the meeting. Angry, calm. He's angry about the delay. He stayed calm during the storm. Nervous, confident. I feel nervous before the test. She's a confident speaker. Scared, brave. He's scared of the dark. She was brave getting her needle. Tired, energetic. I'm so tired after work. Kids are always energetic. Proud, ashamed. He felt proud of his score. She felt ashamed of her mistake. Surprised, unimpressed. I was surprised by the gift. He looked unimpressed by the show. Jealous, trusting. She's jealous of her friend. He is trusting and kind. Lonely, loved. He feels lonely at school. She feels loved by her family.